StoneFly's patented 8th-generation storage operating system and virtualization engine, StoneFusion and SCVM, enables effortless setup of iSCSI SAN, NAS, and S3 object repositories on bare metal, Windows and Linux hosts, and integration with enterprise hypervisors such as VMware, Hyper-V, KVM, and Citrix, XenServer. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create iSCSI repositories, enable data protection, and integrate them with VMware and Windows hosts. Begin by switching a resource to Managed. Go to Resources and Summary. Select the Managed option for your chosen resource. With the resource configured, proceed to SAN, Volumes, Create New Volume, and click Manual Create. Assign a name to the volume and allocate the desired storage capacity. You can choose to encrypt the volume's contents for enhanced security. Note that if you opt for encryption, ensure a FAT32 formatted USB drive is connected to securely store the encryption key. Next, specify storage capacity by selecting Manual Create and inputting the desired capacity. Confirm the submission. The newly created encrypted iSCSI repository will be accessible in the Volumes Summary section. You can check its encryption status by clicking Volume Detail. The field will indicate Yes when the volume is encrypted. To prevent malicious deletion, we recommend enabling volume deletion protection for iSCSI repositories. To activate this safeguard, navigate to SAN, Volumes, Configure Volume, and General Configuration. Select the iSCSI repository, enable Volume Deletion Protection, and confirm. Verify protection in the Volume Summary. The Delete option will be disabled. Now, let's proceed to the integration process. We'll cover integrating the iSCSI target storage with the VMware ESXi host first and then the Windows host. For VMware ESXi integration, access the ESXi console and navigate to Storage, then Adapters. Under Software ESXi, check iSCSI Enabled. Select Use CHAP for CHAP authentication. To add a new static target, click Add Static Target, input the iSCSI initiator name and address, and save the configuration. Returning to the StoneFly Storage OS, navigate to SAN, Volumes, Volume Security, and Access. Choose the iSCSI repository and the VMware ESXi host IP, then enable Use Host Name, Password. Specify credentials and set permissions as read-only or read-write. In the ESXi host GUI, go to Storage, Adapters, and rescan for drives. Next, navigate to Datastore, Devices, and click New Datastore. Select the StoneFly iSCSI repository, name the datastore, and proceed with the partitioning options. Moving to the process of integration with Windows hosts. Open iSCSI Initiator on the Windows host. Navigate to Discovery, add the iSCSI SAN IP, and set the port to 3260. Returning to the StoneFly Storage OS GUI, access SAN, Volumes, Volume Security, and Access. Choose the iSCSI repository and the Windows host IP, enable Use Host Name, Password, specify credentials, and set permissions. Back in the Windows host, open iSCSI Initiator Properties, refresh the targets. The iSCSI repository will be listed as inactive. Right-click and connect to the repository. The iSCSI target can be added to the list of favorite targets by checking the relevant option. Click on Advanced to enable CHAP authentication. Check the Enable CHAP Logon option, and input the username and password set for the iSCSI target in the StoneFusion GUI. Click OK. The iSCSI repository will be connected to the Windows host. Finally, on the Windows host, open Disk Management. Initialize the disk, create a new volume, and allocate settings as needed. Contact StoneFly to request a StoneFusion test drive today.